decor, and designs. Today, we will share with you collection of mind-blowing shipping container house design and step-by-step guide for modular shipping container house ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Shipping container homes are becoming increasingly popular, as they offer a unique and sustainable way to live. If you're considering building a shipping container home, there are a few things you need to know about the design process. Learn how to design, build, and decorate your own shipping container home with this step-by-step guide. What is a shipping container house design? A shipping container house design is a plan for a home that is built using shipping containers. Shipping containers are large, durable metal boxes that are used to transport goods around the world. They come in a variety of sizes, so you can customize your home to fit your needs. How to design a shipping container home? The first step in designing a shipping container home is to decide how many containers you need. The number of containers you need will depend on the size of your home and the number of rooms you want. Once you know how many containers you need, you can start to plan the layout of your home. When planning the layout of your home, it's important to consider the following factors. 1. The size of the containers. 2. The purpose of each room. 3. The flow of traffic between rooms. 4. The placement of windows and doors. Once you have a basic layout, you can start to think about the interior design of your home. Shipping container homes can be decorated in any style, but there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. The walls of shipping containers are corrugated metal, so you'll need to insulate them to make them comfortable to live in. 2. The floors of shipping containers are often made of wood, so you may want to consider adding a layer of flooring to protect them from wear and tear. 3. The ceilings of shipping containers are often low, so you'll need to plan your furniture accordingly. What is the size of a shipping container house design? The size of a shipping container house design will depend on the number of containers you use. A single 20-foot container can provide about 1,000 square feet of living space. If you use multiple containers, you can create a home of any size. What are the steps to build a shipping container home? The steps to build a shipping container home are as follows. 1. Choose the location for your home. 2. Obtain the necessary permits and approvals. 3. Deliver the shipping containers to the site. 4. Inspect the containers for damage. 5. Prepare the foundation for the home. 6. Connect the containers together. 7. Insulate the home. 8. Add windows and doors. 9. Install the electrical and plumbing systems. 10. Decorate the interior of the home. How much does it cost to build a shipping container home? The cost of building a shipping container home will vary depending on the size of the home, the location of the home, and the materials you use. However, shipping container homes are typically much more affordable than traditional homes. Shipping container homes are a unique and sustainable way to live. They are affordable, durable, and can be customized to fit your needs. If you're considering building a shipping container home, I encourage you to do your research and find a design that you love. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of mind-blowing shipping container house design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.